Hi everyone, I have found another new AI code generator and its name is CodeStory SotaSWE. It is basically an VS Code extension that you have to install, and here you see that first of all go to VS Code and search SotaSWE. You will find this extension and install it. After that on the left hand side you will see this type of icon, so click on this and here you have to set up. And here they have a by default model is Anthropic, and also if you want to use another free model then you select this open router. Okay, now before that let me tell you what are the features that it has. Okay, and here you see that agentic code editing, so it can complete complex tasks across your code base in agentic fashion and taking multiple steps as necessary. Next one is the terminal command execution. The agent can execute terminal command on your behalf and can also read the output of command as part of its decision making process. And here you see that we support Cloud Sonnet provided by Anthropic as well as OpenRouter. So provide your API key as part of your onboarding and you are good to go, as I already told you. Okay, so let's go to the extension, and here you see that if you want to use the Anthropic API key then just go to this website, this consoleanthropic.com, and here you see that if you don't have any account just make an account. After that you will find this type of dashboard, and here there is a create key option. Just click on this and after that you will find this type of pop-up, and here you have to define your name and click on this add. After that you will find a API key from Anthropic and that you have to place it here. Okay, this API key section. Otherwise if you want to use this another free model API key then you can select OpenRouter, and after that suppose you want to use this OpenAI GPT-4o model from the GitHub, it is completely free. Then go to this get API key and click on this. Here you see that this is the model. Okay, just copy this model name and paste it here. Okay, this model section, and for this API key you can use this. So here you see that get developer key. When you click on this, okay, it will take you to this page, and here you see that generate new token. Click on this generate new token classic option, and after that you can get the API key. Here you see that I have already generated 2 API key and I can use that here. Okay, so I think guys this video is helpful for you. If you want to get this type of videos more, please make sure you subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch the other videos also.